What if the very first thing you drink every morning is quietly damaging your kidneys without you even knowing it? That innocent cup of tea or coffee you rely on, the one that wakes you up, could actually be slowing down your body's natural detox system. And here's the scary part. Kidney damage doesn't hurt. It doesn't warn you. It builds silently, day after day, year after year, until one day your body can't filter toxins like it used to. Fatigue, swelling, brain fog, even high blood pressure. But what if I told you there are simple morning teas that can actually help your kidneys flush out toxins, reduce strain, and support natural repair? And no, these aren't expensive supplements. They're simple, natural, and already trusted for generations. But here's the catch. Not all teas are safe. Some can actually make things worse. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful morning teas that can support kidney health. And the last one, it might completely change the way you start your day. Before we get into the teas, there's something most people over 50 don't realize. Your kidneys are not just filters. They're your body's silent cleaners. Every single day, they remove waste, balance fluids, and keep your blood clean. But after 40, and especially after 50, your kidney function naturally starts to decline. Not because something is wrong, but because of years of hidden stress. Too much salt, too little water, medications, processed foods, and yes, even certain drinks. And here's the problem. When your kidneys slow down, toxins don't leave your body as efficiently. They start to build up. And that buildup, it shows up as low energy, puffiness in the face or legs, trouble concentrating, poor sleep, and even weight gain. So the goal is simple. Support your kidneys gently every morning. And that starts with what you drink. Let's begin. Number 5, ginger tea. Let's start with something simple. Something you've probably seen in your kitchen many times, but never realized its true power. Ginger tea. Now, most people think ginger is just for digestion, but here's what they don't know. Ginger has natural compounds that help improve blood flow. And that matters because your kidneys rely on healthy circulation to filter waste effectively. When circulation improves, your kidneys don't have to work as hard. But that's not all. Ginger also helps reduce inflammation, and inflammation is one of the biggest hidden enemies of kidney health. You may not feel it, but inside your body, inflammation can slowly damage tissues over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many people over 50 wake up feeling stiff, tired, or bloated. That's often a sign your body is struggling to clear waste overnight. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can gently wake up your system. It signals your body to start moving again, to start cleansing again. But there's a mistake people make. They add too much sugar, or they use packaged ginger teas with artificial ingredients. That completely cancels the benefit. The best way? Fresh ginger slices, hot water, maybe a squeeze of lemon. Simple, clean, effective. But even though ginger tea is powerful, it's just the beginning, because the next tea goes one step deeper. Number 4, dandelion tea. Now this one might surprise you, because most people think of it as a weed, something to remove from the garden. But in reality, dandelion tea is one of the most powerful natural detoxifiers, and it works in a very unique way. It gently increases urine production. Now that might not sound exciting, but it's incredibly important, because your kidneys remove toxins through urine. So when this process is supported, your body can eliminate waste more efficiently. But here's what makes dandelion special. It doesn't strip your body. It doesn't dehydrate you like some harsh diuretics. Instead, it helps maintain balance. And that's critical for older adults. Now here's the part most people don't realize. When toxins stay in your body too long, they don't just sit there. They circulate. They affect your skin, your joints, your energy. That's why some people feel heavy or sluggish in the morning. Dandelion tea can help lighten that load. But there's a catch. If you're already dehydrated or not drinking enough water throughout the day, this tea won't work properly. So hydration matters, always. And if you're taking medications, it's always smart to check with a professional before adding anything new. Now, dandelion tea is powerful, but the next one, it's something millions of people already drink daily without realizing they're doing something right. Tea number 3, green tea. This one is familiar, comforting, almost routine. Green tea. But here's the truth. Most people are drinking it for the wrong reasons. They think it's just for weight loss or metabolism. But green tea does something much more important. It helps protect your kidneys at a cellular level. Now, don't worry about the technical terms. Here's what it really means. Inside your body, there are tiny processes happening all the time. Some are helpful, some create damage over time. Green tea helps reduce that damage. It acts like a shield, especially against something called oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to kidney decline. Now, here's something crucial. Not all green tea is equal. Some packaged versions are heavily processed, low quality, even loaded with additives. That reduces the benefit. The best option? Simple, pure green tea. No added sugar, no artificial flavoring. And timing matters too. Drinking it early in the morning can give your system a gentle boost without the harsh crash of coffee. But there's one mistake you need to avoid. Too much green tea can actually stress your kidneys. Moderation is key. 1 to 2 cups is enough. Now, we're getting closer to the most powerful ones. And the next tea? It works in a way that most people never expect. Tea number 2, hibiscus tea. This tea stands out. Bright color, refreshing taste, but its real strength is hidden beneath the surface. Hibiscus tea. Now here's what makes it special. It helps support healthy blood pressure, and that matters more than you think, because high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. In fact, many people don't even realize they have it. It's silent, just like kidney problems. So when you support your blood pressure, you're indirectly protecting your kidneys. But hibiscus tea doesn't stop there. It also helps your body release excess fluids, which reduces strain on your kidneys. Now imagine this. Every morning your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. Your blood is thicker. Your system is slower. Hibiscus tea helps bring balance back, gently, naturally. But there's something important to know. If your blood pressure is already low, this tea may not be the best choice. So always listen to your body. Now, we're reaching the final tea. And this one, it's not the most popular. It's not the most talked about. But it might be the most powerful of them all. Tea number 1, nettle leaf tea. This is the one most people overlook, but those who know swear by it. Nettle leaf tea. Now at first it might not sound appealing, but here's what makes it different. Nettle is rich in natural compounds that directly support kidney function. It helps flush waste, supports filtration, and provides nutrients your kidneys actually need. But here's the real secret. Nettle works gradually, not aggressively. That means it supports your body without shocking it, which is exactly what older adults need. Consistency over intensity. Now here's something powerful. Many people who drink nettle tea regularly report feeling lighter, clearer, more energized. Not instantly, but over time, because their body is finally able to keep up with toxin removal. And when your body is clean inside, everything feels better. But again, quality matters. Use clean, dried nettle leaves. Avoid low-grade tea bags with fillers. And always start slow. Now take a moment. Out of all the teas we've covered, which one surprised you the most? Because what comes next ties everything together. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, before you rush to try all 5 teas, there are a few critical mistakes you need to avoid. First, don't drink them all at once. More is not better. Your body needs balance. Second, avoid adding sugar. This is a big one. Sugar increases inflammation and cancels many of the benefits. Third, don't expect overnight miracles. Kidney support is a gradual process. Think weeks, not hours. And finally, always stay hydrated. Tea is helpful, but water is essential. Without enough water, your kidneys can't flush toxins effectively. Let's quickly recap. The 5 best morning teas for kidney support are ginger tea for circulation and inflammation, dandelion tea for natural detox support, green tea for cellular protection, hibiscus tea for blood pressure balance, and nettle leaf tea for deep kidney nourishment. Each one plays a different role. Each one supports your body in a unique way. But together, they create a powerful daily habit, one that supports your health quietly, consistently, over time. Now, here's the most important question. Which one will you try first? Start simple, stay consistent, and give your body the support it deserves.